Today we'll teach you how to fix your Frigidaire dishwasher. Learn error codes and troubleshooting in the Appliance Helper's newest repair guide. If you need more assistance, check out our website. There's a link in the description. Enjoy the video. If you're looking for help fixing your Frigidaire dishwasher, look no further. Our comprehensive Frigidaire dishwasher error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code I10. Problem: a low fill has been detected. Fix: look for a pinched water supply line or water shutoff that is not completely opened. Code I20. I40. If 0. Problem: clogged filters or a restricted drain line has been detected. Fix: check and clean both filters and sump area and check for a pinched or blocked drain hose. If the drain line is attached to a disposer, check that the knockout plug has been removed. Code I30. Problem: a leak or overflow of water has been detected in the bottom pan. Fix: look for loose connections at the water inlet valve and ensure the unit is properly leveled. Code I50. Problem: a problem has been detected with the drain or wash motor. Fix: pressing the cancel button or turning the power off at the breaker for 5 minutes should clear this error code and the unit can be restarted. Code I60. Problem: a problem has been detected with the water heating system. Fix: pressing the cancel button or turning the power off at the breaker for 5 minutes should clear this error code and the unit can be restarted. Code IC0. Problem: a problem has been detected with the electronic control system. Fix: pressing the cancel button or turning the power off at the breaker for 5 minutes should clear this error code and the unit can be restarted. Code UO. Problem: vent open. Fix: while in wash cycle, main control board does not receive a signal from the vent assembly that the vent plunger is closed. Plunger status is sensed with the optical sensor in the vent assembly. Check the wiring between vent assembly and main control board. If wiring is correct, replace vent assembly. If the error still exists, replace main control board. Code UF. Problem: fan not running. Fix: while in drying cycle, main control board not sensing vent fan motor rotation at the correct speed. Check the wiring between vent assembly and main control board. If correct, replace vent assembly. If the error still exists, replace main control board. Code Problem: membrane switch failure. Fix: main control board has detected a stuck key or a key pressed for more than 1 minute. Check the connection from the keypad to main control board. If correct, replace the keypad. If the error still exists, replace main control board. Code CE. Problem: configuration error. Fix: check wiring connections between the keypad and main control board. Check for correct parts installed. Replace parts accordingly. Code CL. Problem: closed door switch open. Fix: main control board not sensing door closed. Closed door. Check door switches. Check the wiring between door switches and main control board. If wiring and switches are correct, replace main control board. Code DP. Problem: drain pump. Fix: displayed in relay test when the drain pump is activated. Code FL. Problem: water valve is open. Fix: displayed in relay test when the water valve is activated. Code hydrogen oxide. Problem: heat delay. Fix: the control is delaying the cycle to allow the water temperature to rise to the correct temperature in an attempt to assure optimum performance. Code HS. Problem: hall sensor. Fix: the control has sensed an error with the hall sensor in the motor. Check the wiring between the motor and the main control board. If correct, replace the motor. If the error still exists, replace main control board. Code low. Problem: low rinse aid. Fix: rinse aid level is low. Refill rinse aid dispenser. Code phosphorus monofluoride. Problem: power failure. Fix: a power failure has occurred. More than 10% of power has dropped to the unit. Check house wiring. Code RA. Problem: rinse aid. Fix: the control has sensed a problem with the reed switch in the dispenser. Refill the rinse aid dispenser. If the error still exists, check the wiring between the dispenser and main control board. If not corrected, replace dispenser assembly. If the error still exists, replace main control board. Code RE. Problem: rinse aid reed switch. Fix: the rinse aid reed switch in the dispenser is closed. Code RF. Problem: rinse aid. Fix: the rinse aid reed switch in the dispenser is open. Refill rinse aid dispenser. Replace dispenser assembly. Code RT. Problem. Relay. Triac test. Fix. Relay test mode has been activated. Code SD. Problem. Detergent dispenser. Fix. Displayed in relay test mode when the detergent dispenser is activated. Code 2. Problem. Turbidity sensor. Fix. The main control board has sensed a failure in the turbidity sensor. Check wiring. If wiring correct, replace turbidity sensor. If error still exists, replace main control board. If you're looking for help fixing your Frigidaire dishwasher, look no further. Our comprehensive Frigidaire dishwasher troubleshooting guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Where can I find my model and serial number? Your dishwasher model number location may vary, but is most commonly found on the side of the door panel and visible when the door is opened. What should I do if my dishwasher is not starting? If your dishwasher is not starting, we recommend you check the following. Make sure you have not inadvertently set delay start or child lock. Make sure you have pressed start. Cancel after selecting your cycles. Make sure you have closed door immediately to avoid having to reselect your cycle. Options. If you added a forgotten item or interrupted the cycle, you may need to press start again for the cycle to resume once you close the door. Make sure the dishwasher door is properly closed. Make sure your water supply is turned on. Check to see if the circuit breaker is tripped or if a fuse is blown. What can I do if my dishwasher is not draining? If your dishwasher is not draining properly, we recommend you check the following. Ensure that the knockout plug has been removed from inside the food waste disposer inlet. Make sure the drain hose is not kinked. Ensure the cycle is complete. Not in pause status. Check that the glass trap filter is maintained and installed properly with no clogs. Why is water in the dishwasher after it runs? It's normal to see some water in the bottom of your dishwasher after a wash cycle is completed. If you notice water covering the filter screen, try these tips. Check that the drainage system is free and clear of debris. If your dishwasher is hooked up to garbage disposal, run the disposal to clear the drain system. If you have a new garbage disposal, the knockout plug might need to be removed from the disposal. This step can occasionally be overlooked during installation. Why does my dishwasher have an odor and how do I fix it? If your dishwasher was just installed, it is normal for there to be a new smell at first. This goes away over time and usage. Leaving soiled dishes in the dishwasher too long can create an odor. If you are not ready to run a full cycle, use a rinse-only cycle to help with any odors. Check to ensure your dishwasher is properly draining. If you're looking for help fixing your Frigidaire dishwasher, look no further. Our comprehensive Frigidaire dishwasher repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, Frigidaire manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Frigidaire appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Frigidaire dishwasher not cleaning. Water inlet valve. The water inlet valve opens to allow water to enter the dishwasher. If the valve is clogged or defective, the dishwasher won't get enough water to clean dishes properly. If the water inlet valve is clogged, replace it. Do not attempt to clean the water inlet valve. Cleaning the valve could make it more likely to fail. My Frigidaire dishwasher will not drain. Drain impeller. The drain impeller pushes water through the drain hose and into the garbage disposer or drain line. If the impeller is broken, replace it. Frigidaire dishwasher buttons not working. Touchpad. First, confirm that the dishwasher display is working. If the display is still working, try pressing some of the touchpad buttons. If some of the buttons respond correctly but others don't, it is likely that the touchpad is at fault. Some manufacturers sell the touchpad separately from the control panel. Other manufacturers require that you purchase the touchpad and control panel together. If you cannot replace the touchpad individually, replace the touchpad and control panel. Frigidaire dishwasher lights flashing or blinking. Heating element. The heating element heats up the water to operating temperature. If the water doesn't reach the proper temperature after a set amount of time, a light on the control panel might start flashing. To determine if the heating element has burned out, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the heating element does not have continuity, replace it. Frigidaire dishwasher leaking. Water inlet valve. The water inlet valve opens to allow water to enter the dishwasher. If the water inlet valve is stuck open, The dishwasher will continue to fill with water until the dishwasher leaks or overflows. If the water inlet valve is at fault, replace it. Water inlet valves are not repairable if the valve is defective. You must replace it. Frigidaire dishwasher leaking from motor area. Impeller and seal kit. First, try to determine the source of the leak. If the water is leaking from the motor shaft area, the motor shaft seal is likely defective. If the seal is defective, replace it. Some manufacturers sell the seal independently of the impeller. Other manufacturers require that you purchase the impeller and seal together. Still, other manufacturers require that you purchase the entire pump and motor assembly instead of the impeller and seal. It is usually more cost-effective to replace the impeller and seal kit rather than the pump and motor assembly. Frigidaire dishwasher won't start. Door switch. The door switch prevents the dishwasher from running while the door is open. If the door switch is defective, the switch will prevent the dishwasher from running even when the door is closed. To determine if the door switch is at fault, use a multimeter to test the switch for continuity. If the switch does not have continuity, replace it. Frigidaire dishwasher won't latch. Door hinge. If the door hinges are damaged, the door won't be able to latch properly. Inspect the door hinges for damage. If a hinge is bent or broken, replace it. Frigidaire dishwasher dispenser not dispensing soap. Bimetal. The bimetal actuator is a metal loop that acts as a latch for the dispenser door. As electricity is applied to the bimetal, it deforms and bends away from the latch, releasing it. If the bimetal is burned out, it won't release the dispenser door. To determine if the bimetal has burned out, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the bimetal does not have continuity, replace it. In addition, make sure that the dishwasher is getting enough water. If the water level is too low, the wash motor may not draw enough current through the bimetal, causing the bimetal not to bend enough to work properly. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more repair guides.